me for this scholarship.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That's all.
That's all.
I don't believe this thing will
Now,
success.
all these people are now they be fake.
So
Promise
it's
and
audio
fake. God
money.
say yes, audio money. God say any if you not say enough if you say anything, not just promise.
Wow, this
If
is
you not
deep.
say enough,
This is deep.
say am.
School fees for them. School fees. I pay the school fees for them. Give the mama 100,000 for them. They come outside, call the talk, say people will do good. And now give them audio money.
Okada na 100 and something. You don't pay school fees. How your property back?
How your property about Okada? How the girl will make video the first time take quarrel with the mama? Not because sharing. Say the mama collect blocks. That if the mama not see money, minimum 1 million naira. So 1 million naira not share your mama life. Then you come again, the talk say they not give us anything. They not give us anything.
How much you stop?
And I personally went to Sapele and paid for her school. His Majesty International School. I did it myself. And I went there with the mother, with the success herself, and with the guy that made the video. 2 other of their family, I think 3 other people. Eta Okada follow us go to school. Then when I come 1 year after, say, we not do good for now. But really talk am. If they need Rukawe. Now the day they do good for now, now no. Chris people. Now they find new money again to tarnish people image. Chris.
Hello, my country people. Now welcome. All right, so now don't hear waiting little success talk. A lot of una wanna know this speaking whether they call success. Now for Sapele, now in the state near Warri. So this little girl success Adego, he come into limelight. He come into social media when one of her neighbor video her. Well, I go play the video. Make una see am. When the neighbor video her where them pursue her comot for school because of school fees, about 900 naira, say she never pay. And they come pursue this girl comot for school when she dey go, one of her neighbor come videotape her, come dey ask her say so she come say she prefer make dem flog her than the one be say they go pursue her comot for school. So that statement wey that girl make come make a lot of people come draw a lot of people attention. They come help the parents come really that time this girl come into social media, even AY live, AY where be this comedian come even carry this girl feature her for show. We come here say a lot of people come out say they go give him papa work because they say him papa no Okada they ride, him mama no get work, they live for one room, they were poor. So they can't really promise a lot of things. They can't even show where some kind of company don't endorse success. Everybody come to say, this girl don't blow. This girl don't blow everything. Make I first play this video where we say he bring her into limelight before we go continue. Before I go touch light for this matter where this little girl talk everything before I go come chook mouth inside. And waiting people talk, how people feel about this. This
Okay,
video
so
where she
you
just
wait,
just
but you
now.
better not me they flog you. I bet they say me you go tell your mommy.
May they flog me.
Why they go flog
me?
you?
They will be flog. The Kenny go tired. They go tired for flogging. They go flog. They go tired. And they say they stop. I tell they say I stop my body. And they say they stop.
All right, so my people, this video one I just watched now this particular video now bring this success into limelight, into fame. A lot of people when they see this video, they can sympathize with this girl. A lot of people can promise her scholarship. Even Jollof, one comedian they call Jollof, promise. Even AY comedy can even feature this girl, this success for AY comedy show. In fact, they can't even show where one company say they don't endorse them. A lot of things just go on that period. This girl became popular. So now this video they come up now, according to her, she say all the promise where they promise her say na fake, say na audio money, so no one come to fulfillment. So before I go talk the way me I see this whole thing, a lot of people don't come talk say this girl na very very ungrateful person. Say nobody owe her anything. Say the little help wey be say they don't help am, ain't supposed to come out to thank people. So from the from some comments when I see for comment section, some people say, make I even read and make una hear. Some people say in parents then they very greedy. Say even when AY even when AY come out to want to assist, say because of the greediness of her parents, na make AY come withdraw. According to her, they say the money wey your papa take marry your mama last year na from which source? Your parents too greedy. Up to this point, say dem hijack the management role. Even AY wey give una large sum of money dey vex. Greedy people. Your parents too greedy. Dem don use another format again dey solicit for fund. So another person say your parents should be ashamed of themselves, I swear. Somebody say, she's smart. Oh. Somebody say, hey, yeah. Oh. That is what people say. That's the opinion of people for this video where she make when she say the money na audio money where we say people no help her. You see, education has a very role when they play in the life of people, especially parents. When this girl blow, when this girl became popular, they for use that popularity. They don't even need another person again. Assuming say the parents where be say they know about social media stuff, everything. That just to look for one good manager where be say go manage this girl and they make money. But I don't know, these people when no go school, we get the way that they behave. This girl, the popularity where this girl don't get alone is enough to put food on the parents' table. But because of say they don't know their way, maybe other people wey won't come out can't really play the management role of this girl. Parents, some kind parents, they are like that. They go look at like say, una don dey use our pikin, they make money, we don't dey see. Now everybody don't leave the girl. Now una they complain, say, Okada, by according to her, saying papa say they ride Okada. In mama, the money, the place where be say they give him mama work, say they know they pay and say at times they go just give him mama 10,000, say make a mama manager. So, and another thing wey be say I want to talk be say, this Nigeria where you dey see, so a lot of people can know how to take advantage of people. Immediately this girl just blow, where be say it just became famous in social media. Every brand want to come go they tap from her resources. Some people come go they show themselves for where they get there. Who want to talk? You go say want to help success. Before you know, when they talk finish, they clap hand for her. You go sit down for your hands. You don't go do anything. If you want to do something for somebody, do it out of say you are doing it willingly. No do it because of waiting you won't gain. No do it say because of say make people know you say you help so person. At the end of the day, you promise you don't fulfill it. It's a sin. Promise and fail is a sin. And another thing again, when they see the people where they say the parents of this girl, they not try. Because according to reports last year, when people help this girl, the parents, they can't marry, they can't do proper marriage because according to report, they never marry legally. So immediately that money start to come. The first thing when these parents do now to go marry legally. As they marry finish, maybe the small money when it remain, they no manage her well. And the success where be say it don't they popular, where be say don't they popular, where they go capitalize on that her popularity, make better money, put food for their table. It be like say anybody when he come in, the parents go pursue them. They don't really understand how these things work. Something where be say you don't know, it pass you. With ignorance, Bible say ignorance is a, in fact, ignorance is a big mountain. There is no mountain anywhere. Your ignorance is your mountain. All this one when people they jump from one church to another, they pray for breakthrough. A lot of people then get that thing when it takes for them to break through in life, but because of ignorance, then they were then they. That is what I just see in this whole thing. The fame this girl has gotten is enough to put food on the parents' table, but the parents they don't manage and well. So nobody owed anybody. Nobody hold anybody anything. Success, the person when they say do this video now, when he bring her come out, when he call, they say na audio money, na say that all the promise na fake. The person not try when he do that video. Why I say the person not try be say the person for just therefore that is where wisdom comes in. The parents they not get wisdom and the parents they not try at all. They would have just want to use that opportunity to thank people and to tell them say success still dey ground, say na so make una come to their aid, maybe if una still want to beg money, because for me, I feel say the ones where they say they do, the little ones where they do for una, it's enough for you people to take move on. But I don't think they would have given this girl good manager that will manage her very well. That time the money go they come out. But because of the parents, then they ignorant, they not really do am well. So success, the responsibility of your parents, it is the responsibility of your parents to take care of you. To now they bring you come into this life. Now they go take care of you. And the little ones people have helped you. Let your parents continue where they stop. So you don already popular. Wetin I go advise the parents, go and look for a good manager that will manage your daughter. Una comot una hand for this una daughter matter. Una no know anything concerning social media. Una no know how this thing works. Look for good manager that will manage your daughter. She can do a lot of things with this her popularity, and money go start to dey flow. Make una no beg again. That's why I just see am. That's why I see am. The girl smart and sharp mouth, but una want to make her look very, very ungrateful to people now. After people don't help them, don't help una finish, una don carry money to do wedding, una don do a lot of things, una now don dey come and say all the promise. I know say a lot of people, they are like that. They will promise, they will not fulfill it. It's like that everywhere. But the little ones wey una get, make una use am well. Go and look for manager that will manage your daughter. Look, see am now, this your daughter now, e don meet with this Makeje comedy, e don meet with all those people. This na opportunity for her to even dey popular without even anybody to even give una 1 naira. The fame, the popularity don already dey there. And na fame, na popularity, na im be the money, no be even the who help you. Somebody can give you 1 naira today, the 1 naira go finish. But because of say your daughter don popular, a lot of brands go want to associate with this girl. So parents of success, if una dey lis ten to this video, go and look for good manager that will manage your daughter. And when they are managing your daughter, make una comot una long throat inside. Make una allow the person to really do wetin work, so that success, before success go big, im go understand how this thing work. Una wey be say una dey there, una when una be parents of success, una no dey educated enough to understand how this thing work. Look for brands and look for people that will manage your daughter, so that money will start coming. Make una no beg again. The popularity is enough for una to make money for life. So now here I wan stop. This my own opinion. Abeg, if you get anything wey be say you want to talk. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section. Drop your comment, like this video, share this video if you feel like sharing it. Sharing is allowed. Is allowed. Bye for now. God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.